Hi everyone, welcome to Body Percussion and African Drumming Workshop. My name is Kojo, I'm your presenter today, and I hope you will all have fun using your hands, your laps and your feet. Make sure you warn your neighbors that we're going to be making some tremendous noise today, that the ground's going to be shaking. This workshop is for anybody that enjoys music, rhythm, dance, and movement. Okay? So get ready to have a fun time. Kojo at the Body Percussion African Drumming Workshop. I'll see you all inside. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.